Welcome to BayesFusion's BayesBox tutorial. Since you are interested in BayesBox, you are quite likely familiar with Bayesian networks. However, if you do not know what Bayesian networks are, we encourage you to watch our Bayesian network introduction video from this channel. You can find links to other tutorials on our website and in the video description. BayesBox is our web application for sharing and exploring Bayesian networks and other types of probabilistic graphical models. BayesBox can be accessed through a web browser. In this video, we will show you BayesBox functionality as deployed in BayesFusion Network Repository. To experience BayesBox interactively, you can go to repo.bayesfusion.com and follow the simple tutorial that launches upon the start of the application. The central area shows a graphical visualization of a Bayesian network model that could be created with Smile or Genie. On the right-hand side, you can see model variables and their probability distributions. On the left-hand side, you can see all models uploaded to BayesBox. In this repository, Bayesian networks are cataloged by type: small, large, and hybrid Bayesian networks, then influence diagrams, models from a decision analysis textbook by Bob Clemen, and finally, dynamic Bayesian networks. Links to short articles about each probabilistic graphical model type can be found in the description below. Also on the left-hand side, you can see basic information about the selected model. This includes physical characteristics of the model and a brief description. You can download the model as a Genie file and load it later either into Genie or our other products, such as our mobile app, BayesMobile. BayesBox allows for saving and later retrieving information about a case at hand. Case Manager button, located in the top area of the screen, invokes the Case Manager. Similarly, there is an extension of BayesBox called the Dashboard that allows users to monitor the values of selected model variables. More about the Case Manager and Dashboard functionalities will be presented in a separate video. Almost everything in BayesBox is clickable. You can set evidence using the panel with a list of nodes on the right-hand side. For example, clicking on the state present of the node comma sets evidence to present. Similarly, clicking on the state absent of the node, increased serum calcium, gets the state of the node to absent. Both actions cause recalculation of the probabilities of the remaining nodes. You can see the updated probabilities in the panel on the right-hand side. As a result of the two observations entered, the probability of a brain tumor in a patient who is in a coma but has normal serum calcium levels changes to 50% and the probability of a metastatic cancer changes to 13%. Clearing an evidence node unobserves a value and causes the probabilities of other nodes to return to their original values. This concludes our tutorial. You can find out more information online at BayesFusion.com. We invite you to watch our other tutorials and subscribe to our channel.